Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlamini's on Monday, Vuma six in Ntombela's blessings to Mary Samke. In a heartfelt reunion, Sibongile and Kwezu reflect on their parents. Sis Mavis engages in a candid conversation with Nomfundo. On Tuesday, Njengaya must yet again choose between Nomfundo and Peteni. Sama catches Velepi's motives for being around. Vuma finally gets blessings to marry Samke, but it comes at a price. On Wednesday, even though Peteni is around, Nomfundo is on Njengaya's mind. The plan for Wenzeni and Temba seems to be working, while love is blooming for Vuma and Samke.